This is my favorite portion of the Holy Quran, and I always come back to it. It teaches me a lot of things, kind of validates my urge to not get pride in my heart, because I understand how fragile things are, and to have pride on worldly things or in anything for that matter is dangerous. I think we should always keep reminding ourselves the words of the Holy Quran, and I was just going through this and I thought to make a video out of this. Al Hijr में ये बोला गया है. I think it's verse number 26. We created man out of dry clay and molded mud, and the jinn we had created from flaming fire. Your Lord said to the angels, I am about to bring into being a man made from mud. When I have formed him and breathed my spirit into him. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying that when I have formed the man and I have breathed Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's spirit into the man, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala instructs all the angels to prostrate, to bow down in front of the man. So all the angels then prostrated themselves together, but Satan did not. He refused to join those who prostrated themselves. God asked. So did you just notice a subtle thing? First, so Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has saying that He has breathed His spirit. मतलब उन्होंने किया है into us. Second, comparison. Third, racism. That anything that Allah Ta'ala has created, you consider it as bad. Like you don't respect it. Anything and everything Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has created, if we don't respect it, that is a sin itself. Because imagine Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala when He has commanded. Number fourth, when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has commanded something and we are not abiding by it, so that is another thing. So many lessons we got, so many things that Satan has, and he is just evoking us to do. So first, which is very apparent to me, which is pride and arrogance. Arrogance in the sense कि ओ मेरे पास ये है, मैं इससे बना हूँ, मैं इस घर का हूँ, मैं इस जाति का हूँ, मैं इस what you say, मैं इस स्कूल से इस कॉलेज से पढ़ा हूँ, मैं इस जगह जॉब करता हूँ, मेरा इतना बिजनेस है, so मैं इस होटल में जाके रहा हूँ or whatever, I don't know. So all of these things creates a pride in you, that you when you start, and not just these things, there are a lot of things that इंसान के दिमाग में प्राइड क्रिएट करते हैं. एंड मेरे लिए बहुत कंफ्यूजिंग है कि इंसान किस बात का प्राइड करता है, बिकॉज एवरीथिंग दैट दे हैव एंड दे विल बी गिवन बाय अल्लाह सुब्हानहू व तआला, एंड द फैक्ट दैट दे आर एग्जिस्टिंग, एवरी बिट ऑफ इट इज़ सो टेम्पररी. मतलब कैन यू hold any person who has full control over his life? If you see those millionaire and billionaire ka interviews, you will realize that one thing they said, that I have got lucky. What does that mean? That they have worked hard, but at the same time things have worked out for them. So if you ask any sane mind, मतलब जिसके दिमाग में शैतान और arrogance एकदम पकड़ नहीं लिया है, उससे अगर if you ask that how did you become successful, how did you achieve so much of money, success, whatever, they will say that things worked out for them. And this is so true. Like right now, if I am having maybe this pen, it is because I am sitting in India. I am I got to the shop and I bought this pen. But imagine somebody is sitting in Palestine at this my age, my time, same time, same age, whatever. Maybe she or she does not have the privilege to go and buy such pen. So everything is given by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and everything can be taken at any moment. So having the arrogance, it is very foolish. It is very satanic to have arrogance and pride. Second, to compare yourself with others, it is actually a killer of joy. I have been a prey to it. It's a life training habit to compare yourself with others. Lastly, that a lot of things, right? And then not listening to Allah's command is actually a bit of suicidal because it's like Allah and your mother. I think these two, if your mother is like obviously loving and caring towards you, and you always listen to your mother and always listen to Allah's command, because eventually with time you will realize that how important it is, and it's going to be so messed up if you don't listen to it. And yeah, these are the things that I wanted to share, and I always come back to this, and I always feel like if I could share it to people, that I feel like this is such a important piece of information, and it is so important for people to just remember that there is nothing in this world to have pride in, and there is something which I need to reflect in myself first, that I should not have pride in anything, regardless of what I think I have, or